Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings, because changes here stop most pop-ups fast. First, go to Privacy and Security, then Site Settings and turn off pop-ups and redirects. This blocks standard ad windows. Next, check notifications and revoke sites you don't trust. Finally, open extensions and remove anything unfamiliar. Extensions often inject ads. Once done, restart Chrome to make sure initial blocks apply. This sets a clean baseline for deeper cleanup. Now perform a deeper cleanup because some pop-ups come from malware or rogue extensions. Use Chrome's Reset and Cleanup feature to scan for harmful software. Run it and follow prompts to remove threats. Then run a reputable anti-malware scanner, let it quarantine anything found, and reboot your machine. After reboot, inspect extension permissions for wide access and clear site-specific settings and cookies for problematic domains. This prevents persistent scripts from reappearing and reduces tracking that leads to targeted pop-ups. To finish, reset Chrome settings only if pop-ups persist. Export bookmarks beforehand so you don't lose them. Create a new Chrome profile or open incognito to test whether the issue is profile-specific, and if pop-ups stop, migrate data carefully. If ads remain, inspect your system host's file and router DNS or any network-level ad blockers. Rogue DNS can inject ads. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, boot into safe mode with networking and rerun the malware scan. That separates OS-level interference from browser-only problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.